After months of speculation and leaks, we finally have our first credible look at the upcoming DJI Avata 3. This isn't another blurry video from an anonymous forum. This leak comes from a well-known DJI insider, Igor Bogdanov, who has a solid reputation for accurate information. With this, the Avata 3 rumors are starting to solidify, and the countdown begins. If DJI sticks to its typical release schedule, we can expect the Avata 3 to arrive sometime between late 2025 and early 2026. The original Avata launched in September 2022, followed by the second generation in April 2024, a span of about 19 months. That places the most likely release window between November 2025 and January 2026. Design-wise, early glimpses suggest the Avata 3 will look quite similar to its predecessor. While the prototype doesn't reveal many details, the markings and visible cables confirm it's still in testing. What really has enthusiasts buzzing, though, are the rumored upgrades under the hood. A major highlight is the expected improvement in the camera system. The Avata 2 featured a 1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR. The new model may come equipped with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, offering better image quality, richer colors, and improved low-light performance, ideal for professionals looking for cinematic results. It may even support RAW video and more advanced color profiles for flexible editing. Flight time is also expected to improve. The Avata 2 offered up to 23 minutes of flight per charge, but the next model could push that number closer to 30 minutes. This could be achieved through battery upgrades, more efficient motors, and smarter power management systems. Stabilization is another area where DJI could raise the bar. While the previous generation already featured impressive software stabilization, the new model might introduce a mechanical gimbal that would significantly smooth out footage, even during sharp turns or high-speed maneuvers. The obstacle avoidance system could also get a big upgrade. Whereas the Avata 2 had limited detection, the Avata 3 is rumored to feature a 360-degree sensing system. This would make it much safer and easier to fly in crowded or complex environments, appealing to both beginners and experienced pilots. For live video transmission, DJI's current system offers high-quality, low-latency feeds. The next version may bring an even more advanced system, possibly though for transmission, which would improve video resolution, reduce lag, and increase range. Performance-wise, improvements to the propulsion system are also on the table. Enhanced motors and optimized aerodynamics could lead to better speed, agility, and overall responsiveness, great for freestyle pilots and filmmakers capturing fast-paced action. User-friendliness remains a focus for DJI. The Avata 3 could bring refinements to its controller and goggles, offering a more comfortable and intuitive experience. New intelligent flight features, like AI tracking and automated flight paths, might be introduced to help users capture polished shots with minimal effort. Alongside the Avata 3, DJI is also preparing to launch a compact wearable camera called the Osmo Nano. Aimed at creators on the go, it's designed for hands-free use and directly targets competition like the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and Insta360. Go 3S. Leaked photos show a two-part magnetic design. The top houses the main camera, while the bottom includes a battery, display, and controls. The wearable device magnetically attaches to the user's chest and may include a flip-up screen for easy vlogging or selfies. Expected features include 4,000 video, excellent stabilization, and strong app integration. The Osmo Nano is scheduled for release on July 23, 2025, with a price tag likely between $300 and $400. It builds on concepts from the earlier Action 2 but aims to fix its weaknesses, particularly around durability and usability. The modular design lets users swap parts easily, and new accessories could further enhance flexibility. According to official certifications, the camera and screen are separate components supporting wireless communication and efficient power use. It's also rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor and shoot 4K at 120 FPS, which would make it a solid contender for high-quality action shots, even in low light. DJI's stabilization tech is expected to shine here, too, making it suitable for sports and fast-paced environments. Durability will be crucial. With edge-to-edge screens and detachable modules, DJI will need to ensure the Nano can withstand the demands of serious outdoor use. There's also word that DJI is working on a 360-degree camera, suggesting a broader push into immersive, portable content creation. Both the Avata 3 and Osmo Nano hint at DJI's next phase of innovation. With smarter features, better performance, and more user-friendly designs, they're set to compete head-on with the biggest names in drones and action cameras.